Hey everybody, this is John from Tank Pump Studios again with another fun playground video. In this video I did some tests. I tried to figure out what the limits of my particular MacBook Pro are. It's a mid-2017 model. That's pretty modern. It's got Radeon Pro 560 in it, 4 gigabytes for these laptops. That was, high-endish. And I didn't do this to see exactly what my MacBook could do. I did it more to see what the difference between different technologies was while I was using Unity. So for this video, I made a whole bunch of actually just spheres right there, and in a bunch of different configurations of numbers of them, and with different shaders on them. And then I set a controller onto them and made them move around to see how many I could make move all at once, and to see what optimizations I could do with regard to like the shader or the video card or something like that to make the whole process faster. And I did a bunch of different tests. And over here in the corner, this is what I figured out. I've got, with a material on them, I could do 792 at 60 frames a second. Without a material, or with a simple material, I could do 900. And to me, I was hoping for a much wider gap between something with a material and something without. At 30 frames per second, I got 1500 or 2500 depending, and I got, with a simple pattern, I got 2800 at one point at 30 frames a second, and with a material I got just slightly more, which is a little unexpected. Then if I go down to 15 frames a second, I got about 4000 or 3800. And so I expected to see that I could change something simple and make a big difference in the number of these balls that I could add onto the screen at once. But I really didn't find anything like that. See, this one's got a whole variety of different materials. Oops. But I really didn't find anything like that. And what that means is that the majority of the processing here, and what's really slowing it down, seems likely to be the calculations, the physics calculations on the rigid bodies and the movement. So, yes, somewhat anticlimactic, but I'll keep trying things and see if I can figure out over time optimizations that make a big difference. Now, if you know of optimizations that might make a difference in this project or something else, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe.